Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to download and install NetFramework 4.8 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type features and select turn Windows features on or off and hit enter. In this new window, select NetFramework 4.8 Advanced Services, one click, and scroll this menu to add more features. I select all and click on OK and wait a moment for the install these features. Apply the change. Windows completed the request change. Click on close. For ending this process, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and select restart. Login in your desktop. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.